Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to today's stream. That is August 19th, 2020, and we are going to continue working on the WooCommerce subscriptions post-trial fee plugin. Where we left it off, let's go check out where we left it off first. Post the repo if anybody wants to. The repo for the plugin. I'll post that into the chat if anybody wants to follow along. And I'm going to go ahead and let's open up the issues and see what we got. So the last time we left off with this, we had a successful fee added, but there were a couple of issues, and we hadn't done anything for, the main bug was right here. We'll check on that in a sec. We hadn't done anything for variable products. So we had simple subscriptions, we had the fee added, and we had the fee be charged at the appropriate time, but then it didn't get removed. So let's go fix that bug. Okay, so let me pull up the data. Hold on. So we have WooCommerce subscriptions. I should probably remove the old stuff so that we can just know what we're dealing with. Let me see. All right. Okay, so the last one was probably this $18.95. Let's open this up. That's the last one that we tested with. Let's see. Okay, so the subscription is $45 a month. Yeah, we had a couple of them. We had a couple of renewals, one here for $53 and then another one for $53. And thank you, Chris. Audio looks good. It's nice to have friends come check stuff. So the this $18.99 right here is the one that didn't actually remove the meta. So that's what we need to look at. So let's go over to the code. We have a dirty repo. Why? See where we left this off. Okay, so what was I doing here? Ha! You know what I was doing here? I had my editor open, and I was trying to answer a question for somebody in the WooCommerce community Slack on how to get the shipping methods on a subscription for the parent order. So I was typing it in here to make sure I got the syntax right. So yeah, let's just leave that. We don't need that. We don't need any of this. That was a separate project. Okay. Okay, so we got a clean repo. We're on branch for issue 3. And that was the add order hook. Let's go ahead and, we have our issue 11 here. So GDCWC, maybe add fee, is looking at the product meta, and it should be looking at the subscription meta. So this should be a pretty easy fix. Let's see if we have this pull request merged. This issue 3 branch was our first successful test. Let's go ahead and branch off of that and fix this, or we'll just fix it in this branch. Okay, so our bug issue had some. So this maybe add fee. Let's go look at that. So let's see. So this is hooked in to the new order created. And it takes the new order, the subscription, and the type, and we want to make sure it's a renewal order. If it's not a renewal order, then we get the heck out of Dodge. Don't do anything with it. And then so we're checking the product ID here, and then we get the post meta from the product ID. So this is where the bug is. So if the product ID has it, then, and down here is where we're deleting from the subscription. So let's remove this. And post trial fee, and we'll get this subscription get ID. Okay, cool. And if it's there, add the fee, and then remove it from the subscription. Check subscription for meta. That's good. All right. Let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, I'm going to get a new subscription. So let's just go ahead and open this up, this product, and I'm clicking on the edit page, and then I'm going to view it. Okay. That's another plugins functionality, so we don't have to worry about that. Let me actually go ahead and turn a bunch of plugins off because we don't need them to test this plugin. Active plugins 10. We are going to deactivate all those. And then let me make sure I'm checking out the just tail the debug log. Just in case we need to catch something. Leave that in the background. Okay, let's run this test. So we only have the plugins we care about active. Here's the product. We're going to sign up. Okay. Just have some test stuff here. We'll use just a test mode card. I think that one should work. Let's try signing up with it. While it's running, I'm going to grab this meta. So, okay, so the order received. Order number is 902. And so the subscription is probably 903 because it gets created after the order. Okay, so subscriptions right there. And then clicking on WooCommerce orders. Let's go check out the order. That's loading. Okay, order's good. It is 0 because the trial is going on. So I'm gonna close some of these down. We don't need a lot of these. We're working on that. Don't need plugins. Order's good. Product. Okay, so the subscription was 1903. Let's go check out the database. Make sure it looks good. All right. Select everything from WP post meta, where post ID equals 1903. I think a string or an integer will work there. Okay. I didn't order it, but so we have the meta on the subscription. Let me make sure it's not on the order. It is not on the order. Okay, cool. So the meta's there. It got added to the subscription correctly. And then so we made our change in code here. There's our change. Let's just run the renewal. And I think we were running this from the subscription page. So sorry for all the screen flashing. Let's go ahead and just get there. So opening up subscription 1903. I'm going to run a renewal, process renewal. And this should sort of turn off the free trial and charge an actual renewal. So let's hit the go button. Yes, I'm sure I want to process renewal. Whole bunch of stuff in the debug log. Oh yeah, that's our deprecated. We know about that. Okay. Subscription updated. Next payment is in 5 days still. The renewal order has the fee on it. Brilliant. Okay, now let's double check the subscription and then also check that renewal order. So that meta shouldn't be there. So we're looking at 1904, the order, and 1903, the subscription. So 1903. Okay, it's gone. That's good. And then let's check the 1904. And 1904 has it, which makes sense for record keeping. We can probably leave it there. But let's just make sure the next one doesn't have it, and then this bug will be fixed. So we're going to go back to this. So this order's good. It has our fee. Let's go back to the subscription and process another renewal. Okay. Yes. And we should get another dump here for the deprecated method. Actually, no, we shouldn't, because it shouldn't run. Okay, the processing renewal is done. And the next order looks good. 1905 does not have the fee. Cool. So that should fix that bug. So that was issue 11. So let's commit that to the commit all with the message of fix 11. And push it up to the repo. Sweet. Okay, so that'll be closed when we merge that. And then let's fix this deprecated, and then I think we can version like a first version of this. Because add order hook, this issue will be closed when we merge that. Add description to the subscription product page. We'll do that one next. Okay, so let's see if we can fix this deprecated fee. Okay, so order add fee is deprecated. Use new WooCommerce order item fee object and add to the order with WC order add item. Okay, that's descriptive enough. Let's just do that. Let's do another branch off master. So get checkout master. I do get pull just to make sure, even though I'm the only one editing this. Okay. Get branch. No, checkout dash B. Checkout dash B for branch. We are working on issue 8. Issue underscore 8. Okay. Let's see where we're doing this add fee. We're looking for add underscore fee. Oh, yeah, it's not going to work off of master. This has no code. I'm a dork. Let's do this again. So, let's check out master. Let's delete that branch we just created. Branch D issue 8, because it's got nothing. And let's just merge this pull request. And then redo that branch. Okay, we're gonna merge, delete branch, we're good. Okay. Now check out a branch for after that merge, yeah, 11 and 3 are closed. Now we just have 8. Issue 8. Okay, now let's work on this. So we are looking for add fee, which is right here on line 137. So here's our to do. We are to doing it, so we'll remove that. Issue 9 got closed. I got so many tabs open, sorry about that. Close a bunch of these. We're not doing testing right now. Okay, so issue 8. Use a new fee object and then add item. So we're gonna do that and then add it using WC order add item. New order is a class WC order dash add item fee. It's going to be called fee. Fee equals new WC order item fee. Okay, let's see how we have to build that. And this is our old tire deprecation. Old deprecated. And then line 138 add item is the new hotness. Okay. Let's go check out the order item fee class. Command B in PHP Storm takes us there. So we are in includes class WC order item fee. And this was added in version 3.0. So when this gets created, this extends WC order item. Command 7. Let's see. So this does not have its own constructor. So let's see if the parent, what the parent does. WC order item. Its constructor calls its parent. If it's an instance of an order item, it sets an ID. We're not an order item, so we're a fee. It's not going to do that. Construct item in 0. So we're not setting up an existing order item, so this is going to get skipped. We're going to set this object read, get type, type is equal to line item if get type is something. So, and then data store. Cool. So yeah, none of this really matters. So what do we have? We have a bunch of setters here. So we have set tax class, status, total, tax total, total tax, taxes. So this is all the stuff that we had in the array. And then we're just going to set it here. There's really no way to set this, is there? Set amount. We could just do new fee and then fee set amount to post-trial fee. We could do that. I think everything else should be, and the name. Fee set name. And it's going to be this. Everything else we don't need to touch because it's just default blank. That should work. Okay, so all my wrangling with standard class is for naught because we're not using it. Okay, so this can all go away. Okay. I think that should be it. Remove that. So we create a new order item fee. Add parentheses. We'll create a new order item fee. We set the amount and the name. Everything else was blank for that. And then we add the item to the order, save it, and then calculate totals. Let's test this. Delete this. All right. Okay. Subscription with post-trial fee. Sign up. Okay, same deal. Just use the same test card. $0 because we have a 5-day trial. Sign up now. Cool. Okay. 1907 is the subscription. And so that's the order. Here's the subscription. Okay. And let's run a renewal. Process renewal, which should pick up our fee. Did not like. Numeric value encountered. Did not pick up our fee. Did not add it. Okay, WC order calculate totals. Didn't like that. Let's figure that out. First, let's see if the meta got saved. 1908. Okay, the meta got removed. Fee did not get added. Actually, it did get added. Just the amount didn't get added. Okay. Yeah, it did not like that. Let's see what we did. Set amount post-trial fee. What are you wanting? Value. Format decimal. is what it's doing to it. So what did you not like about that? Non-numeric value encountered. Non-numeric. All right, let's debug. Breakpoint. Listen. I have this new Firefox plugin to turn on debugging. Sumner. Thank you, Sumner, for suggesting it. It's very helpful. So turn on debugging. Let's go order again. Yeah, let me think through this. So, where are we? I'm looking for our plugin. Post trial fee 135. Yeah, it's right there. So 135. Oh, of course it doesn't. Okay. I deleted all this, so the lines don't match up. 135. So it's running calculate totals after we set this stuff up. So non-numeric. So we run calculate totals, and it throws the warning in abstract WC order on 1568. Let's see what's there. WooCommerce includes abstract WC order right there. We are looking for 1568. It's probably a faster go-to, right, for PHP Storm instead of having to scroll. 1568. Get total fees. So what didn't you like? A non-numeric? So did it not get set correctly? Okay. Something about our post-trial fee got messed up. Okay, so when we get the meta back, it's going to be a string. So something about set amount is set prop amount, format decimal value. Maybe it is not liking that it's a string. No, it takes a parameter of a float or a string. It's very odd. Okay, let's step through it and see if we can figure this out. Let's clear all that out. Okay, we are debugging. We thought we were. What do we break? What did I break? Missing parentheses. Okay. Okay, should be good. Okay, so I need to resubscribe so I get the meta added to the subscription and then run the subscription, which will run the test. So signing up. And then when I run the renewal, it should go through that. XDebug should stop us at that point so we can see what happened with that object. So we're switching from using a standard class object to using the WooCommerce order item fee object. Cool. So we have 1911, which is going to make it 1912 will be the ID of our new subscription. Let's run this. We do have a post-trial fee meta, so that's super. If I go to subscriptions, close a couple of these down. Make sure I'm debugging. I am. Turn on debug here. Okay, what was our number? 1912, yes. So that is the first one on the list. Okay, once that loads, we will run a renewal. We only have the parent order, which is 0 because of the trial, 5-day trial. Process renewal. This should kick up XDebug. Please. It did. Okay. We are in maybe add fee. Did we get a post-trial fee? We do. It's right here. It's a string, which shouldn't matter. So fee is set equal to a new WC order item fee, which is all empty-ish. We set the amount to 8, which should set it to a float. So fee get amount 8. That's totally fine. Set the name. Let's see if we get a name. Yeah, the name wasn't an issue. It was the amount. Set the name. That looks good. Verify. Fee get name. Post-trial fee. It's what we want. And then the order add item. Okay. Cache group order items. Did I not save? No, we save. Calculate totals. Do we need to save after calculate totals? Possibly. Okay. So save, and then this is what caused the issue, and I hit, yeah, I hit proceed and caused the issue. A non-numeric value encountered. And then we're going to delete the post. Let's stop here because I want to retest that. Yeah, in this white screen. So let me see if going back we'll go to the page. All right. I need to retest this without going through and purchasing another subscription. So it's still there on the subscription. Come on, page, reload. Have I totally confused you? XDebug's not stopping anything. It's just being really slow. All right. That order did not get saved. I wonder what happened to it. Okay. Let's just kick off a new one while it's loading. Everything's... Oh, yeah, it's still on old. Let's set it to active. Update. I did not want to do that. Wow, I didn't know by stopping it mid renewal order, I would hose my whole install. Why are you so slow? Okay. Active. Let's process renewal and close this one. Okay, this should, yes, we know we want to do it. Okay, this should kick off XDebug again so we can figure out what the heck is happening. Let's go to the set a breakpoint for It's not calculate taxes. What line was that error at? 1696. Why does that not sound right? Aren't we somewhere else? No? 1696. Okay. Just clear that out. Okay, so we are looking for 1696. And this is, I'll just set a breakpoint right before this, because this is in calculate totals. Cool. So we should get there by stepping through that. So here we are again. We're setting up our fee. New order item fee, set amount. Oh, that's funny. The fee's default name is fee. That's useful. Not really. Okay, so we set the amount to 8, the post-trial fee, or excuse me, the title, the name of it, to post-trial fee. We add the item, save, and then calculate totals, which should pick up in that abstract order. So just step into it. Yeah, it's the abstract order. Do an action. Let's check out this order object. Data items. Okay, so there's only one fee item. ID 926. And that doesn't look right. I might need to save the fee, because look, there is no name and there's no amount. So that's what it's trying to save. Cool. That might be our issue. Let's see if that fee object has a save method. So everybody hold your horses. Stay where you're at. New fee amount. We do the sets. B. This is an order item. So this class doesn't have a save, but I'll bet you its parent does. No. Somewhere. There it is. Okay. That's our problem. So we created a new, let's back up. We created a new fee object. It implements the WooCommerce's abstract data objects. So it's going to create it in memory, but then when you go and calculate the order, it's not actually there. So where were we? In calculate totals, let me open up my debug terminal. So in calculate totals, it was going to get the fee and add it all up, but the line item right here has no data to it because we didn't save it, and it 926. I'll bet you anything I won't be able to look at it, but I want to. So order items, data. The ID is 926. So I want the next. God, this interface is gross. Oh, it's down here. Okay. It's probably at the end. Clicking on page 18. I don't even think that worked. Okay, so 926. Yep. Look at all these post-trial fees. Okay, so 926 is the order item ID. If we go look at order item meta, and we want, let's just look at the last rows. Same deal, page 138. 926. Yep. No, the amount's there. Ha. Why did it not save it? It had the title and the amount. I don't know. Let's just run save and figure that out. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this finish. Just finish. And then while that's finishing, I'm gonna go add that save. Fee here, dooba dooba, fee dash save. Then add it to the order, save the order, calculate totals. Save data to the database. Should we save after they calculate totals? I don't know. Let's leave it like this because it worked when we were using the deprecated method, right? So okay. All right, so the last one that I ran is 45. That didn't work. Oh, my meta got deleted. Flip. Okay. Fourth time's a charm, right? Let's go resubscribe. We're resubscribing because the meta's gone after we ran that renewal, even though the fee did not get applied correctly. So, okay. This is the edit page. We want the view, so we can add it to our cart and check out. Signing up. All right. Check out. Order received. So it's going to be 1908 or 1918. Select where 1918. And we have our post-trial fee. Let's go look at that subscription and run it. We need to make sure and turn debug back on. Actually, it's already on. Okay, so WooCommerce subscriptions. Okay. Opening up the subscription to run the test. I need to figure out how to speed up this local because it's killing my time. Okay. Process renewal. Yes. Okay, XDebug should kick in. Here we go. All right, so this is before. This is the calculate totals that's run before the post-trial fee plugin kicks in. So it's just keep going past that. And then here's our post-trial fee plugin. Okay, so we create a order item fee, we set the amount, set the name, save. Okay, let's look at that. It's 931, so that's the new. Okay, well, whatever. 931. Let's go to. Okay, so when it didn't work, it was actually in the database correct, the $8 and the name. It just wasn't in memory. So let's add the item to the order, save the order, calculate totals, which should hit a breakpoint. Okay. So Let's look at this. Fees. Let's see what the fees say. This get fees. If I can type, there's one fee. 931 is correct. Data. Post trial fee $8. Sweet. That should be it. I think it was just the say it was missing. Let's open debug just so nothing gets vomited out there. Okay. Play or step over total fee total. Add the item. This is the place. No, it still did it. Non-numeric encountered. What are you checking, man? It's checking something that it thinks is it's still on 1696. Abstract WC order. Item get total. Let's see if we can figure out what that is. So this watch looked good. Let's see what item get total is. It's blank. What the heck is item? Shouldn't that be our fee? It is. $931. Why is get total blank? Well, okay, that's another step. Let's go check that out first. I'm going to leave this debug as it is. Next stream is Friday. I'm trying to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday for now. Also, I think under the schedule, it has Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then the time. It's 1 p.m. Central, my time. I'm not sure where you're located, but hopefully Twitch would adjust that. And thanks for the question. Okay. So we saved the fee, but this get total's not working for us. Okay. Okay, so I'm paused in the debug right now, but I want to go look at the order item fee get total. Okay, let me close this debug for now. Get prop total. Do I have to set that? Context what the value is for. Get the total fee. I guess I have to set that now. Is that not set amount? I guess that's because it's a line item. Yep, that's probably why. Okay, so this new WC order item fee extends order item. And if we look at I don't think I have one open. Okay, let me just tear down this, or I'll just let this finish. Hit play. Cool. So that's it. So, okay, if I would have known the object a little bit better, non-numeric value encountered when it is on 1696. So 1696 is, it's looking at the total, which is a whole other property, but it's not actually something that's calculated when you create it. So if you look at the line item right here in order 1919, the line item consists of the cost, which I guess would be the amount of the fee, and then the quantity. So like, look, it's usually on a regular line item, it's a product, it's the cost of the product, quantity, and then the total is set. So for some reason, we're not using amount, we are using total. So maybe amount was, which isn't getting set, it's blank. So when the order object goes to calculate fees, it's getting an empty string and it's throwing this warning. It's not killing it, it's just complaining. Okay, so why do we even have a set amount in this object? Set amount. It does have a setter, so why would you have that? Set amount, set total. Do not enter negative amounts. Tax total, total tax. Hey, maybe that's why. Maybe it's the amount. Maybe the total's this plus the total tax. That's kind of crappy. There's no checking on that. Whatever. Okay. Let's set the total just like we set the amount and see if that works. Set total, which would seem very, very silly. I don't know why that would be the case. Okay. Other than tax, like maybe I'll go dig through the code and the pull requests that added this and it explains, but that just cost me 30 minutes to figure that out. So we switched from using a deprecated function that just took the item, the array, to using this object, but the object didn't really take care of itself. So when it was used in this calculate totals on the order, it didn't work. So good to know. Okay. Post-trial fee. We have to go through the whole thing again. We're going to subscribe. It'll have the meta assigned to it. We are going to run a renewal, and then it should grab the post-trial fee, add it, and then remove the meta from the subscription so it's never charged again. Do you think it's going to happen? I think it's going to happen. I'm kind of annoyed at that object now. Okay. Edit product. Let's go view product and add it to our cart. Cart's added. Right, so we're going to use this saved card in Stripe. Test card, sign up. I'm going to close down some of these other pages that aren't needed. And wait for this to finish. Okay, so we have a new fresh subscription, $0 because there is a a 5-day trial period. And my local is being very slow. Okay. Order received 1920, which would make our subscription 1921. Just double, triple checking. 21. Execute. We're checking the database to make sure the meta is there, which it is. It's right there. My search is highlighting it. $8 will be charged. Here's the subscription. And then let's run this sucker, and it should work, and we should not get anything in the debug. Hopefully, we'll still step through it at XDebug though. Okay, so, gosh, yeah, it would be nice if that meta exists to say that there's a post-trial fee going to be charged. We can add that as an issue. Let's do that. New issue. Just so I don't forget it. What do you think? Like, I always use monosnap to just grab stuff. Okay, where would this go? Like down here? Yeah, why not? Something like this. Text is too large. Post, maybe not green. Post trial fee of $8 will be added to first renewal. So like something like that, like in the schedule. Does it make sense in the schedule? Yeah, I'll just leave it like that. So create a new issue. Add notice to the of post trial fee to edit subscription page. So after customer signs up, after customer signs up for after customer signs up for the subscription, and before the first renewal, show a notice to admin, or just show a notice that post trial fee will be charged, and then just put our little example screenshot here. Cool. Yeah, just did that so I don't forget. Okay. Did we run a renewal? We did not yet. Okay, so 1921, we want to process renewal, kick it off, assure subscriptions we know what we're doing, hit OK. Okay, and we're back at debug time. Okay, step through. Okay, this is the first order. We don't care about this. Hit play. Okay, we're going to create the fee again. So new fee, set amount, set total. So weird. Okay, let's look at that. Extra data. Total's not set here. Maybe it needs to be saved. Let's add a watch. Fee, get, total. Yeah, it's set. Why can't I move my watches up, dude? Okay, arrow. Okay, the amount set, the total set, the name is not yet set. Hearing a random knocking in the house. It's weird. Okay, save. Saved fine. Okay, now we have, in the object itself, we have the name, tax class, tax status, amount total, and total tax. Okay. Yes, I still think that's so weird. Let's proceed. So for each fee, I just hit play. I think it made it. Nothing's being spewed out here. I think that worked. All right. Yes, subscription updated. There it is. There it is. $53. While that's loading, let me refresh this subscription to see. Yep, the meta is gone, so it will not be charged again. And we have a post-trial fee of $8. Awesome. Okay, so I guess it was just the wrong, with switching over to the new object, we needed to set a total instead of just setting the amount. Why? I don't know. Cool. So let's check this puppy in. Okay, so what we did, just reviewing our diff, we removed the old object. We added the WC order item fee. we set the appropriate stuff, we saved it, and then we added it to the order. Brilliant. And this is to fix issue 8. Fix issue 8. Push it to a new branch. And as you love GitHub, I just have to click here and it creates my pull request for me. Brilliant. And then let's call this move remove deprecated. Add fee. Use WC. What was it? Use WC order fee. Order item fee. WC order item fee. Object. And there's all changes. Create pull request. And there's no review. I'm just going to merge it. And we should actually add testing for that. Merge. And then that'll close the number 8 issue. Confirm merge. Delete branch. And refresh this. And that's gone. Cool. So we are left with, let me just refresh my local. Gosh, go away. Let me stop debugging because it's kind of annoying. Okay. Git fetch, prune. So delete some of those. The origins are deleted, but my locals aren't deleted, which is I need to fix. That's some other time. Okay, so git branch, delete issue 3 and issue 8. So now we just have master, pull, master, and we're caught up. Awesome. So what do we have left? We have we need to add the description to the description. We add a description to the subscription product page. So that would be actually to the product, product page. That would be here. Because this needs to say $45 a month with a 5-day trial fee. And then 5-day trial and $8 sign up post trial fee. It's kind of ugly, but it'll work. And then when you sign up, it needs to say it on the cart here. So that's the add description, the subscription product page, the nonce for security, update the unit tests, and then add a notice to the subscription edit page. Oh, and gosh, did I close that? Product data. I need to reopen this, because we didn't do the variable subscriptions. Okay, cool. So I think that's good for today. That is a full implementation, I think, for simple subscriptions. So that gives us a way to add the fee to a simple subscription. It gets charged, and then it gets removed after the first renewal, which I was simulating the renewal with the with running a renewal from the edit subscription page, but that'll actually be kicked off by the action scheduler later. So once we add the data to variable products and then add some of the text on the front of the page, I think that'll be a good version 1. We can tag it and release it. which would just mean tag it because I'm not really going to release this anywhere. But if anybody wants to use this, they're totally welcome to. And then we'll do a little bit more cleanup. So next stream, we should have those issues finished out. Number 1, the variable products. Number 4, the description. And then I'll go ahead and add the nonce to fix security. So that should be able to do that next stream, which will be Friday. So thanks for watching. We will be done here and then hopefully finish. This will be the next one. This was part 3 and the next one will be part 4. So thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.